Hello, we are NuPhy. We are a company from Shenzhen, China, and I want to mainly introduce this keyboard, which is the most popular on our website. This is essere75. We have two series of mechanical keyboards, the low profile Air series and the normal profile keyboard is Hello series. Both the series have three sizes. You can see it. This one is Hello 75, Hello 65 and Hello 96. They have two colors. And this one is Air 60, Air 75 and Air 96. The 96 layout has the numpad and the F function keys. And our keyboard has three modes of connection: wired, Bluetooth, and the 2.4 GHz connection. And you could just change the connection mode here. And the keyboard is compatible with Windows, Mac, iPad, and Android systems. And our keyboard is hot swappable. You could remove the keycaps and the switches for it, and you could put in the switches and keycaps whatever you want. And the sound will depend. The switches will depend the sound of the keyboards. If you prefer the quiet sound, you could choose the red switch version. And we also have brown switch and blue switch. The brown switch is tactile switch, and it will provide a tactile feedback. And we also have a blue switch version, which could provide a clicky sound. Yeah, hot swappable. All of our keyboards has the RGB lighting, the backlight and the side light. You can see it here. And now I'll introduce the Hello series. This one. We have the not only the backlight, also the side light and the halo light around the side of the keyboard. I'll turn it on. Yes. To adjust the backlight, we could use function and the up arrow key. And to adjust the halo light, we could press function and edge and up arrow key. Yep, you can see it. Oh, sorry. Yep. If you press the left arrow key, you can change the color and the mode of the keyboard, the light. And Hello series also has three modes of connection: wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz. And it is compatible with Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android system as well. And now we can come to our new release keyboard. It will be launched tomorrow. It has a volume knob and a RGB lighting knob. And this one is to change the connection mode, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz, and wired. And these keys are customizable keys. Also, we can see this is the foldable feet. And you can see the little thing here is to customize the keyboard to change the layout and function of the keyboard. Yeah. And it is the keyboard. This gaming keyboard is called Field75, which is designed by CIY and NuPhy. And this keyboard is also hot swappable. We could remove the keycaps, use the switch puller, keycap puller to change the keycaps and the switches for it. And we use cherry switches. This keyboard also has the RGB lighting, but sorry that it is out of charge. and we could our keycaps. All of our keycaps are made of PBT material, which is more durable than ABS keycaps. And if you want to find our keyboards, you could head to NuPhy.com. You see.